Trend with WK you will learn about today parse versus try parse. So let's go. You will learn how to use it and what is the advantage of use it. So let's start. So this is the introduction. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel Trend with WK, so you will get the latest update of Trend with WK. So let's with the definition difference. So parse through an exception if it cannot parse the value, whereas the try parse return a bool indication whether it succeeded. Try parse does not just try catch internally implemented without exception that it is fast. In fact, the way it is most likely implemented is that internally. The parse method will call try parse and then throw an exception if it returns false. In nutshell, use parse if you are sure that the value will be valid, otherwise use try parse. So create a project. So let's start our project. So we are going to start here. So we are making a project, so you can take here int integer value is equal to 50. So I am taking a string make it integer and result is equal to int.Parse make it a string. So we have just taken integer as a variable and a string. We have just put it the value 120 in a string, my string, and this is the result. It is integer, and we have used int.Parse value, and string is numeric representation, and we are just, so you can write here console dot so run it. So you can see here the output string is a numeric representation 120. So we have used int.Parse. So close it.